Hello YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about how to convert a Word document into PDF file. So let's get started. First open the document you want to convert. Then click the File tab. Now select Save As from the list on the left. Click on Browse. Select where you would like the PDF to be saved. Click on Save As type box, and select PDF from the drop-down menu. If you want to, you can change the file name at this time. When you're ready, click the Save button. After saving the PDF, you'll be returned to your Word document, and the new PDF will open automatically in your default PDF viewer. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video helps you. If yes, drop a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more.